So friends, now we will look at the divisibility rule of 13. So up to 13 compulsorily we have to learn all the divisibility rules if you are going for any competitive exam. So all the prime numbers basically compulsory. If you learn the divisibility rule of other numbers, it is well and good. So prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, up to 13 it is compulsory. Why 13 it is compulsory? Because you are going to get so many questions based on divisibility rule of 13 in the competitive exams. Okay. Now divisibility rule of 13, if you see, what is the divisibility rule? Suppose if you take a 3-digit number, ABC, 3-digit number, you can take any digit number, but just for the sake of convenience I am taking a 3-digit number. So take the units digit and multiply that number with 4. So you will get a product 4C. Okay, whatever the product you get, if you multiply units digit with 4, whatever the product you get, that product you have to add with the remaining number. That means whatever the remaining number, 2-digit number or 3-digit number, whatever the remaining number, you have to add it. If that sum is 13 or multiple of 13, if that sum is 13 or multiple of 13, then this entire number is divisible by 13, otherwise it is not. Okay, so 13, and you are not satisfied with this sum. If you don't, suppose you are getting a big number, you have to repeat the process until you get a, suppose if you get a 2-digit number. Here I have written the table of 13 table up to 2-digit value is very easy. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78 and 13 sevens are 91. So these values are enough, clearly you can identify. So if you are not satisfied with the initial, you have to repeat this process until you get a 2-digit number by doing this sum. So you can easily identify whether this number is divisible by 13 or not. We will take an example and we will see so how to execute it. And so I am taking a number called 715. I know it is divisible by 13, but we will check the divisibility rule. Friends, we are multiplying the units digit number with 4. I got a product called 20. Now what I said is add up with the remaining number, 71 plus 20, that is 91. 91 is nothing but a multiple of 13. 13 sevens are 91. So clearly 715 is divisible by 13. Is exactly divisible by 13. Now we will take another number. Suppose we will take another number 7332. So clearly I am multiplying 2 with 4, I am getting 8. So I am adding 733 plus 8, that is 741. Okay, 741. Suppose 741, if you are not able to decide whether 741 is a multiple of 13 or not, you can continue this process. 1 into 4, so that is nothing but 4. So 74 plus 4, that is equal to 78. Yes, 78 is a multiple of 13. 78 is a multiple of 13. 13 6 are 78. So clearly 7332, this 4-digit number, is exactly divisible by 13. If this number, the sum whatever you are getting here, 2-digit or 3-digit, whatever it is not 13 or multiple of 13, then this entire number is not divisible by 13. In that way, we have to understand whether any given number is divisible by 13 or not. Now friends, here we can see the combined divisibility rule of 7, 11 and 13. 7, 11 and 13. They are prime numbers. 7 is a prime number. Very next prime number is 11 and very next prime number is 13. So consecutive prime numbers they are. So what is the speciality of this combined divisibility rules of 7, 11 and 13? Some questions are also coming in the competitive exams, right? First of all, I'll write the product of these three numbers. 7 into 11 into 13 is equal to 1001. So what is this 1001? When we multiply this any number, any 3-digit number with 1001, what happens and how questions are being framed? Friends, actually the trick is any 3-digit number you take, ABC is a 3-digit number. If you multiply that number with 1001, that 3-digit number will come again. 2 times you have to write it. That is the product. For example, 423, if you multiply with 1001, the answer is 423. That means 4,23,423. Okay. So this is how it goes. So how it is coming, I'll tell you. Very simple. 423, 1001 can be written as 1000 plus 1. So 423 1000 plus 423. So I can write this plus 423 here, 423 plus kar raha hu. So obviously it is 423, 423. Okay, so this is the logic behind when you multiply any number with 1001, that 3-digit number will get repeated and it will come back. So the format, the result format will be something like this. What is this 1001? 1001 is nothing but the product of 3 consecutive prime numbers, 7, 11 and 13. That is a speciality. So whenever you see these kind of numbers 423, 423, ABC format में कोई number देखते हो, if they are asking with what number it is divisible, 1001 it is divisible anyway, you know. That means if you go to the, if you break down to the basic prime numbers, it will be divisible by 7, it will be divisible by 11 and it will be also divisible by 13. Okay, let us go into another section. So some advanced numbers based on this concept. As you know friends, from our actually existing method, any 3-digit number 1001, so that number will get repeated 326 and 326, 326 and 326. 326, 326 will be the answer. But now anyway it will be divisible by, because 1001 is nothing but 7 into 11 into 13. 7 into 11 into 13. Okay. Now if this number is having all the digits as same, suppose my dear friends 444, 3-digit number, it is all having same, but 1001. So then also you can write 3 4s and 3 4s. But you know this 3-digit number is always divisible by 111. That means because 444 111. Okay, that means this number should also be divisible by 111. So, but what is 111? 111 is nothing but product of another 2 prime numbers called 3 and 37. Okay, so whenever any 3-digit number, random 3-digit number you take it, they must be divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Isme koi, there is no complaint in this 7. Along with that, if that 3-digit number is having all the same digits, same number values, that will be also be divisible by 111. That means basically it will be also divisible by 337. That means if you write here with what numbers, with what basic prime numbers this 444 and 444 is divisible by, you will say, sir, it is anyway divisible by 1001. Since a 3-digit number containing all the same digits you are taking, that means it will be also divisible by 111. 111 से भी multiple divisible होगा. If it is divisible by 1001, that means it should be divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Since it is also divisible by 111, so it will be divisible by 3 and 37 also. So if you write in a proper order, so this number is compulsorily divisible. So remaining 4 also it is divisible, with 4 it is divisible, with 2 it is divisible. But if you take this number, this compulsory they will be. This list is compulsory if the number is like this. So okay, so 3, 7, 11, 13 and 37. Why? Because they are divisible by 111 and 1001. So this all lies in the technique of 1011 and 111. So how the questions will be given in the exams, that I will tell you. That we will be discussing now. Now friends, questions can be given in this type. So 784 into dash is equal to 784, 784. You know the technique. So what should be this number? So 1001 it will be. Or else they can ask like this also, 839, 839 divided by some x will give 839. What is that? So it will be definitely 1001. So both are same. So you have to write like this. In the options easily we can find, because any number, any 3-digit number, when it is multiplied with 1001, it will give the answer. It will give the answer in this form. That is why you know the answer for this number. In another exam, they asked the question in this way. Now my dear friends, the question is something like this. 659, 659 is divisible by option A 7, option B 11, option C 13, option D A, B and C. That means all these 3, 7, 11 and 13. What is obviously the answer? Obviously the answer is D. So this number is divisible by 7, this number is divisible by 7 and also 11 and also 13, because they make 1001. Okay, this is how the questions will be given in the exams. You need not calculate it, but just by looking at the format of that number, you can You can answer the question in just seconds if you know that concept. What is that concept? ABC into 1001 will give ABC. Okay. So this is how. If this number is same, so that means if A. So that is in 1001. If you multiply with 1001, so it will become A. 6 times it will come. So along with 7, 11 and 13, it is also divisible by 3 and 37. Friends, there is a very interesting question here. If the number 82x 58y, 82x, x is a variable, y is also variable. If the number 82x 585 is divisible by 45, it is divisible by 45, but not 20, not divisible by 20, then find the value of the two variables called x and y. So first you have to find the values of single digit values. X is a single digit number and y is a single digit number, as you can see. So you have to find the value of x and y का भी value find out करना चाहिए आपको. Then you have to find what is the value of x plus y. Okay, fine. Good. Now x plus y clearly divisible by 45. My dear friends, divisible by 45 means it should be divisible by 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Factors likha mein. So what are the factors? These are factors. So here, but not 20. There are some exceptions, but not 20. But not 20. Okay. But 2 can be written as, yes, there is a controversy, sir. 20 in the factors of 20 also there is 5. 5 jo hai, in the factors of 20 also 5 will be there, but we will see it later. But 20, that means here I will take such a number where there is no controversy, because for many numbers there are multiple conditions available for divisibility rules. जैसे कि देख लीजिए आप, if a number should be divisible by 2, लास्ट में 0 हो सकता है, 2 हो सकता है, 4 हो सकता है, 6 हो सकता है, 8 हो सकता है. सो देयर आर मेनी कंडीशंस अवेलेबल. सपोज फॉर 4 यू टेक, लास्ट में 2 zeros हो सकते हैं, लास्ट 2 places zeros can be there or 4 can be there, 0 4 can be there or multiples of 4 also can be there. Suppose if you take the divisibility conditions for 5, last place 0 can be there or 5 can be there. So I will take such a number where there is no controversy. What is that number here? But not 20, 10. Because 10, last में 0 देखा मैंने. 10. Why I am taking 10? Because there are no multiple conditions for 10. If a number should be divisible by 10, last place 0 should be there. If any natural number should be divisible by 10, last place में 0 should be there. So 20 is also multiple of 10. वो clearly बोल रहा है कि it is not divisible by 20. 20 is also multiple by 10. Or in the terms of multiples, if you see, if you take any number if you take any number and multiply with 10, if you take any natural number and multiply with 10 or multiples of 10, 20 हो सकता है, 30 हो सकता है, 40 हो सकता है, 0 तो आना ही आना है. Definitely you will get 0 in the last place. They are telling it is not divisible by 20. That means in the last place there will be no 0. There will be no 0, because clearly they are telling that it is not divisible by 20. 20 is also multiple of 10 and 10 के लिए एक ही condition available है, last में 0. So clearly we can understand in this 82x585 the value of y 82x58y, the value of y cannot be 0. The value of y cannot be 0. Value of y cannot be 0. But now you can say, sir, yes, you told that it cannot be 0, but here 5 is there. There also 5 is there, here also 5 is there, you understand? Yes. 5 के लिए क्या क्या conditions available है? 5 के लिए क्या क्या last place में there can be 5 or 0, but 0 cannot be there. इसका मतलब 5 it is divisible by 5, so definitely last place y value must be 5, because 5 के लिए दो conditions available है. If any number must be divisible by 5, in the last place there should be 0 and in the last place there can be 5 also. But just now with the help of 20 we came to know that last place cannot be 0, क्योंकि 10 के लिए 20 is a multiple of 10 and 10 के लिए एक ही condition available है, last place में 0, not divisible by 20, that means last place 0 cannot be there, but divisible by 5, it means 5 can be there. So one is ruled out, so another 5 can be there. Now going to another condition, divisibility for 9. Divisibility for 9. 3 भी ले सकता हूँ, but there is no rule that every number that is divisible by 3 should also be divisible by 9. So 3 से जो number multiple है, 3, so whatever the number is divisible by 3, there is no rule that it should be divisible by 9 also. But 9, if it is divisible by 9, definitely it will be divisible by 3 because it is a factor. 3 is a factor of 9. So that is why, for having no controversy, I am taking the condition of 9. 9 se divisible hoga hi hoga, he is telling. They are telling 9 se divisible. That means sum of all these numbers, if I take here, right, 8, 2, x, 5, 8, what is this, 5. If you sum up all these numbers, their sum should be 9 or multiples of 9. So I am just adding up all the numbers. 8 plus 2, 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 20, 28 plus x should be divisible by 9. Then this entire number will be divisible by 9. What is the value of x? x के place में क्या मान लगाने से this whole entire number will be divisible by 9. What is the next immediate number that is divisible by 9? 36. 36 होना पड़ेगा आपको. So by adding what, by putting what value we should put in the place of x to make it 36, friends? What value we should make? 8. X should be 8. X should be 8. If you put 8 here, so that will be, so finally the number is 828585. What is the value of x? 8. What is the value of y? 5. So what is 8 plus 5? X plus y is asking, no? X plus y is equal to 8 plus 5, that is equal to nothing but 13. That is nothing but 13. So value of B is 13. Is 13. Okay. So clearly, so I have taken, so many numbers are available. So exception condition is there. So मैंने ऐसे numbers को select किया. So many numbers are there. But I have selected such a numbers where there is only one condition. That here exception condition में I have taken 10 because 2 के लिए, 4 के लिए there are multiple conditions available. I have taken 10 because 10 can only have only one condition. Last में 0 होना चाहिए 10 के लिए, or multiples of 10. 0 should be there. So that is very easy to understand. That's why I came to know, okay, 0 cannot be there in the last place, but here 5 is there. Okay, 0 cannot be there, but divisible by 5. That means last number is 5. Next, I came here. Here also I came to know that 9. 9 is best because there is only one condition. Sum up all the numbers. If the number is divisible by 9, then the entire number is, if the sum is divisible by 9, then the entire number is 9, and it is also divisible by 3 also. That is why I have taken there in the case of 20, I have taken the help of 10. Here in the case of 45, I have taken the help of 9. So clearly I got the answer 828585. You can check, this number will be divisible by all these numbers, but not divisible by 20. 45 से divisible होगा exactly. You can check, you can verify in your calci. 45 से exactly divisible होगा, but not with 20.